Good day, guys. Actually, happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving today. It is what is this? The 28th. I almost said 30th of November. It's the 28th of November, and we are having Thanksgiving holiday, our first Thanksgiving in the USA. And honestly, no one invited us to anything, so it's just the two of us. Like, nobody invited us for Thanksgiving. I guess it's a family thing, so people are with their families, so let me not be bitter about that. Anyways, we will be setting up our table because I really love us. I forgot table runners, but anyways, it's fine. Doesn't have to be all that fancy. But we are going to be having Thanksgiving lunch dinner. Probably going to be dinner because it's 12. I just woke up at like 11. And we are setting up the table now. He wants us to start with the chairs. I said the table, but let's do what he wants. Let's start with I guess the chairs. We'll improvise. If we don't find the box cutter, we'll use these things because we need to get these things done. Anyways, guys, so let's set up the table. Like, what are you guys doing? Well, I know I've seen like everybody. You found it? I know everyone in South Africa and around the world are actually working. So tomorrow for some of us, it's a normal work day again. But because Babe works for a proper company, they are off tomorrow. So I have to go to work. Just get people to assemble this. So many pieces. And it's box 1 of 3. I thought this was the top. These are the legs. There's no number. Now we have Tetris. So many pieces. I'm not ready for this. Guys, it is 2 days after Thanksgiving and we were waiting for this bad boy because it was, this thing is heavy. It was proving tough to this thing. So now we go in a second and it's in. So we're going to finish very quickly. So we're back at our table. Look. That's so cool. Thank you to Amazon for delivery. You left the thing inside. For delivering, guys. So now we can finish our table.
Saved my life.
And Babe says Amazon saved his life. Guys, table done. Tim wants it to attach to the couch. I don't know why. We need 2 more chairs because this is the table extended. You wanna remove it, Babe? Remove the sides because we don't need them.
Yeah, I will hold the camera and you will remove it. Go.
You're the star of the show. know how it goes in, huh? How do you store it inside? Which way does it go in? This way or this way? Which way? Babe.